All about Teams' access to pipelines and jobs. In this video, I'll show you how you'll manage your team's access to pipelines and jobs. As you know, you are able to control who from your team will have access to which pipeline. This is done in the Available To field in your pipeline settings. You will only want to add the team members who actually need to interact with this pipeline. Giving your team members access to the pipelines for the processes that they're involved in instead of all of them will make their life easier, since they will have a cleaner, focused, and less cluttered portal. Seeing the pipelines and seeing the jobs are two separate things, though. By default, your team members will only be able to see the jobs related to the clients they have been assigned to. So if you want a team member to be able to see a client and their information, including their jobs, you need to give your team member access to that account. You can do that either directly in the Accounts Info tab by clicking on the Edit button and then adding them to the team members field. Or you can do this in bulk by selecting the accounts in your clients list and then using the Manage Team button. Another way to handle this is by using the Update Account Access automation. This lets you automatically give or remove account access to your team members once a job enters a specific stage. Let's use a tax preparation example. Initially, my tax preparer doesn't have access to any client accounts, but I'll set up the Update Account Access automation in the preparation stage to give them access. This way, whenever a client job enters this stage, my preparer will be able to view the client's information and interact with them. Additionally, in the next stage, I can set up another Update Account Access automation, but this time to remove the account access from the preparer again. As part of the same automation, you can give access to someone else as you unassign the other team member. This way, my team members only have access to the client account when it's necessary, and I don't have to make any manual adjustments. Alternatively, you can give some of your team members, such as managers, access to all client accounts, and as a result, all jobs as well. This is done from the Team and Plans tab, where you can enable the View All Accounts toggle for an employee. While we're here, you will also want to choose whether you want to give them the ability to manage recurrences with this toggle. That allows them to add accounts to the recurrence schedule and also edit schedules for added accounts. So to summarize this, to have access to a pipeline, you need to add the team member to the Available To field in your pipeline settings. To see jobs in that pipeline, the team member needs to have access to the client accounts the jobs are for. You can automate giving and removing account access by using your pipeline's automations. To handle recurrences for accounts, you'll need to enable the Manage Recurrences toggle in the team member settings.